Hi, wonderful people. Welcome back to Al Safari YouTube channel. As we are already into 2024, if you are eager to kickstart your YouTube journey without stepping in front of the camera, you are in the right place. Today, I have narrowed down the top 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas that will not only keep you camera free, but also potentially boost your success. Stick around and let's dive into the exciting world of content creation.
Up is the creation of an AI news and stories channel. We have the thrilling world of AI news and stories. Since the launch of ChatGPT in November 2022, the AI niche has skyrocketed. Channels like AI Revolution have capitalized on the trend, gaining over 90,000 subscriptions. You can create engaging videos on trending AI use, utilizing free stock footages and AI voiceovers. You can use platforms like Vidno AI, DID, Flexia, which are perfect for a start. While the downside is the dependence on trending topics, the potential earnings are impressive, with an estimated $4,500 per month. Next on our list is the software tutorial niche. Take inspiration from Brett in Tech, a successful channel with over a million subs. Create screen recording tutorials using free tools like OBS Studio. Focus on specific software addressing common issues, whether it is Canva or CapCut. Make it work, especially if the free tool has a very large user base. The beauty here is you can make over 5K subs monthly and generate over 1 million views on average. Now let's dive into the spooky side with the scary stories niche. Channels like Mr. Nightmare have earned over 6 million subscribers. Get creative with dark video clips and a deep voiceover to make stories sound epic. Be unique in your story source, and you could earn up to $42,000 a month. Beware of the repetitive content trap. Speed it up to keep those scary fresh. So if you're interested in scary movies and it's a motivation for you, this niche is a perfect goal for you. Now, let's talk business. In the business story niche, explore tales from unicorns to startups. Channels like Magnets Media, with over 1 million subs, excels at delivering business stories in a documentary style. While competition is high, building the right team could land you millions of views monthly and over 20,000 subscribers. And you can earn over 10,000 in ad revenues alone. So why not give it a try? Go to the profit powerhouse. Make money online. Channels like Cash Pro, for example, with over 100K subs, share strategies using stock footage and screen recordings. Though some viewers might not take action, the potential earnings are significant. Unlock the secrets of online income and make 5 times the earnings, as suggested by Social Blade. The most important thing is giving it a try. All that you need are just stock footages, screen recordings, and a strategy in making sure that your videos are of high quality with high footages, and the channel will be promising. So folks, here you have it, the top 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2024. Whether you are into AI, software tutorials, scary stories, business tales, or making money online, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Al Safari YouTube channel, and drop your comments below. Stay tuned for more content creation tips. Until next time, best of luck.